Welcome to our channel. If you want to access secret apps on your Fire Stick using downloader codes, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and navigate to the search bar. Search for and install the downloader app. Step 2. Launch the downloader app and locate the URL input field on the main screen. Step 3. Enter the downloader code for secret apps and press Go to begin the download process. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. Monitor the progress bar on screen. Step 5. When the download completes, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. After installation finishes, click Done. You may delete the APK file to save storage space. Step 7. Return to your Fire Stick home screen and find the secret app in your applications list. Step 8. Open the app and discover exclusive content and features not available through official channels. Explore hidden streaming options, specialty content, and unique entertainment sources accessible only through downloader codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.